Hi guys, welcome to this minimalistic straight tips nail art design. As you can probably guess, it is super easy and fast to do, so let's jump right into it. First, grab a polish of your choice. I know fall is already here, so if you don't want to use such a bright color, that's totally fine. I went for Espadrilles from Chanel and I'm so in love with it. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button to never miss a new video. Alright, so let's apply a base coat on each nail. We're gonna work with tape in this video, so it's super important to now add a fast drying top coat over the base coat. The tapes I'm using are from What's Up Nails. If you don't have such tapes, don't worry, just use Scotch tape instead. I'm using my tweezers from Twinkle's Tea to place the nail tapes over my nails. Make sure that the top coat is dried at this point. Now go ahead and paint the bottom of the nail on one nail and then the top of the nail on the next nail with your nail polish. Add 2 coats of polish and then remove the striping tape. Secure some studs using either nail glue or a slow drying nail polish. If you don't have the exact same studs as I do, don't worry, just use what you have at home and it will look cute for sure. If I'm working with studs, I always make sure to apply 2 coats of a fast drying top coat. This will just help sealing the studs in. Here's the finished design. It is very minimalistic, I know, but I really like this look. I have to admit, like my previous tutorial, I already filmed this back in May, so it's a bit summery, but don't worry, I don't have any nail art tutorials pre-filmed now, so I will get some fall colors out and we'll create something new. If you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, share it with your friends, that will help me a lot. And if you haven't seen my last video, click on the screen and it will take you to it. Thank you all so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!